There are two reasons bakit tumataas yung uric acid sa paglo-low carb. Number one, kung hindi masyadong consistent yung paglo-low carb natin, ang nangyayari niyan, nako-confuse yung katawan tungkol sa alin ang dapat niyang i-excrete sa kidneys. Is it the low carb or the ketone bodies? Kasi naglalaban yung dalawang yan eh. And I encourage you po, panoorin yung video ko about this para talagang maintindihan. Number two, there are some people na transitionally, habang nandun sila sa adjustment phase, can have an increased uric acid. Pero ito po, over time, ay mag-i-improve din as the body eases into itong bagong metabolism. Kung talaga pong patuloy na mataas ang uric acid, what you can do is focus more on white meat and yung atin pong fish. And paminsan-minsan lang mag-red meat. Make sure lamang po ha na ang inyong carb intake ay talagang low. Kasi kung ang intake ng carb ninyo ay talagang up and down, that can still contribute. Dalawa po ang pathways ng pag-i-increase ng uric acid. One is protein pathway, the other one is carb. So, kung akala ninyo yung meat talaga yung nagpapataas, but in reality, it's really the carb.